Well, as per the sources, the accused Sanjay Roy, who has now been sent to the police custody for 14 days as well, was a civic volunteer. Sanjay Roy, this man who is the accused, had easy access in the hospital. The post-mortem report will be in fact handed over to the family today itself, is what we are learning from our sources. As far as we know, 15 laptops were used and hour by hour, frame by frame CCTV footage was also examined by the police, which helped them to crack this case so far. CNN News 18's editor Kamalika Sengupta is back with us on the broadcast to bring us all the latest development that she has picked up from her sources. Kamalika, over to you.
See, what we are getting is, in this case today, the PM report will be handed over to the family. That's the one thing. Second thing is that today the police will do a reconstruction of the case out there, and also they will take the doctors out there who were in the PM to understand certain things about the about this death, because the PM report shows that there are multiple injuries. There blood coming out from the vagina, from the eyes, and also there has been pelvic fracture, bone fracture, which is very heinous. So they will try to understand that. What we are coming to know is, for the investigation, the police has taken a hall in Ajikar Medical College itself that day. There 15 laptops were installed where they checked frame by frame the CCTV. Now, according to this Locado exchange theory, which we were telling earlier, the accused, he had left a portion of his earphone on the place of occurrence. So, and the PM report initially said that the death took place after 4 hours of her consumption of dinner. So around 4 to 6, between 4 to 6, this crime took place, and they found that this guy, this accused, was entering this hospital at around 4 o'clock. And from there, with all the scientific evidences, they zeroed in him by looking into frame by frame for 15 laptops which was installed there in the Jikar Medical Hospital's one hall. And there they zeroed on the accused. Another most important thing is that this person was a civic volunteer. Now, who is a civic volunteer? Who assists police, Bengal police, in various ways. Now, this person used to work for Police Welfare Association. Now, how come this person was so powerful that he got into in such wee hours in the hospital? That is a big question. That is also a big political question that the opposition is also raising. But the fact is that in this case, from the mobile of the accused, police has recovered certain pornographic videos, and also the history of this accused show that this man was, the man had a bad behavior history with women. Also, there was an incident of bad behavior with a woman in this hospital few months ago. That's what also we are coming to know, and he has a very, his character is also in question. So, keeping in view all these things, today the reconstruction will take place, and the police is looking into frame by frame to all the CCTV footages which were there. And finally, because he left this earphone, part of the earphone, in the place of occurrence, and according to this forensic whole theory, that a criminal always leaves behind any evidence which later helps the investigation. In this case also, this room was taken in Ajikar, 15 laptops were installed there, and frame by frame it was checked. And with the PM report and the CCTV footages, with all the forensic evidence, till now police feels that this is an act of one person, but they are not finalizing this, because today what the doctors explained them, that they are going to investigate, because in this case the injury is heinous and in various places.
Right, Kamalika. Thank you so much for bringing us all the latest with regards to this story. We've got a couple of reactions also coming in straight from the ground. Let's take a look at all of those.
यहाँ का, ये सरकार का स्टेट सिस्टम से अगर पोस्टमार्टम हो तो जो सच्चाई है वो फिर से दब जाएगा, ये हमारा पूरा विश्वास है। हम लोग सीबीआई चाहते हैं और केंद्रीय अस्पताल से हम लोग फिर से पोस्टमार्टम करना चाहते हैं।
The family, the related family wants any other agency to do the probe. There will be no objection from the side of state government. Police Commissioner also said that. And we just observing BJP and CPM, they are making politics of vulture.
और ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा, पश्चिम बंगाल आज सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक प्रदेश बन गया है। सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक प्रदेश है। यह चिंताजनक है कि जहां एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री है, वहां महिला सुरक्षित नहीं है। यह ममता की निर्ममता है, संदेश खाली होता है।
না, প্রথমত যে ঘটনাটা ঘটেছে অত্যন্ত নরকীয়, আমি বলবো মর্মান্তিক, এবং মুখ্যমন্ত্রী রাজ্য সরকারের যে অবস্থান সেটা ইতিমধ্যেই স্পষ্ট করে বলেছেন, এবং 24 ঘন্টার মধ্যে যিনি মূল অভিযুক্ত তিনি গ্রেফতার হয়েছে, এটাও আপনারা সকলে দেখেছেন। কিন্তু আজকে যারা এই ঘটনাটা ঘটিয়েছে সে পুলিশ না ইঞ্জিনিয়ার না খেলোয়াড় না রাঁধুনি না আর্কিটেক্ট না শ্রমিক না কৃষক। একটা ধর্ষকের তো কোনো জাত হয় না, সে ধর্ষক। একটা খুনির তো কোনো আইডেন্টিটি হয় না, সে খুনি। সে তো খুন করেছে। যে ধর্ষণ করেছে সে পুলিশ না ডাক্তার না আর্কিটেক্ট না শ্রমিক না কৃষক, এই দেখে তো লাভ নেই। সে আগে ধর্ষক, সে আগে খুনি। এ সমস্ত লোকেদের সমাজে থাকার অধিকার নেই।